I would like to start by asking, how was your experience at the conclave so far?
It is amazing. It is good, and really is a for the new generation is understanding of the new technology, new adoption of the technology, and as well as to discussion on the this forum for enhance our knowledge and help to adoption of the new technology of the what other industry is doing. So basically, we must understand what industry, which technology adoption is doing. Otherwise, we as a benchmark we can take it forward and we can adopt and we can implement our organization. That is, forum is very good for brainstorming.
Thank you, sir. So my next question is, what would you highlight as your key technology deployments in the last 24 months and some use cases that you would like to highlight along with it?
Basically, I am from the manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industry is very much different from the IT industry. Our focus is production, moreover, and production and reduce the reduction and reduction, rejections, and these things we are looking for. And that's these things we can done only the AI, digitalizations, and uh, skilled manpower, through skilled manpower. If the manpower is unskilled, then rejection would be increased. If we hire as a skilled manpower, they understand the production as well as the IT portfolio. What is IT going on? Every production machine as a CNC, PLC machine is connected to the IT enabled services like maybe BI, ClickView tools, Tableau, other MIS reports to show understand that if skilled manpower understand the MIS report, what data is uplifting and downlifting, we can immediately take the corrective action and increase our productivity. So based on the skilled manpower, understanding the digitalization as new adoption technology, we can increase and we can put our more effort on the different part of the things.
Thank you, sir. And my last question is, what is going to be some of the key focus areas in your digitalization roadmap in the next 12 to 18 months?
Uh, this is a very good question. Really, it's an amazing question. Uh, I was expecting this question in a forum, but you asked in this timeline. Uh, is more focus on the awareness. The people is not aware about the any technology. The people in focus on the particular domain, the particular field is very much aligned with the domain only. But now the time is out of the focus. Broad mentality, like a major issue is cyber security. Major issue is the vulnerability. The too many vulnerabilities is coming. My production impacts. My entire business would be impacted. My skill power would not be, if my skilled or unskilled manpower is not understanding the vulnerabilities, viruses, malwares, and other technology that impact my production. So my focus is first awareness, second digitalization, and using the artificial intelligence new technology adoption for the production and CNC PLC machine, and third, put more secure environment at organization for avoid any hiccups, any breakdown due to cyber security attacks. That's
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.